What's up, everybody? It's Cameron with Surfboards.com. I'm just going through some of our year-end stats for 2023 and thought I'd share with you guys our top 5 best-selling categories for 2023. I'm going to be combining these categories, both types of the category, and I'll explain that a little bit later, and whether they're men, women's, and children. Men's is the majority of what we carry. It's what sells best, but the women's and children categories absolutely contribute to these numbers. So just that quick disclaimer before I go through these with you. The number one bestseller for us, and it's no surprise if you've been on our website or watched our pick pack videos, but number one for us is always going to be t-shirts. We stock a ton of them. If you've seen our warehouse tours, you can see those bins behind me. That's maybe 1/20th of the bins in here, and at least half of them are just packed full of t-shirts. So number one best-selling category for us is easily t-shirts. Now we sell surf t-shirts, snowboard brand t-shirts, skate brand t-shirts, and just normal sort of outdoor apparel type t-shirts. So we definitely kind of cast a wide net in that category, and it pays dividends for us. It is definitely a good investment for us anytime we can fill a box with more t-shirts. So that's number one for 2023, best-selling item, t-shirts. Number two for 2023 is one where I'm definitely combining two categories. I grabbed off of our shipping table over there a pair of board shorts. All of these examples I've got today are things people actually bought today, and it just goes to show that they're best selling for a reason. Anytime we ship, they're going to be on the table. So walk shorts, which we consider shorts with belt loops, one that would be meant to wear a belt with, ones that you would just wear out normal. Sometimes they're like golf shorts, sometimes they are more fancy, sometimes they're more casual. Those are walk shorts. Board shorts are going to be the ones without an elastic waist that tie in the front. Those are our number 2 and 3 categories. So I kind of combined them into one, but the number 2 for 2023 is going to be men's shorts, mainly walk shorts and board shorts, but also athletic and volley shorts as well. Number 3 for us for 2023, and this one spans across men's, women's, and children, and it should come as no surprise as we are an online surf shop. We sell a ton of rash guards. Anytime we're shipping, you can go over to our shipping table and just find a huge stack of rash guards. These are different than t-shirts in that they are specifically, sometimes they're called sun shirts, sometimes they're called surf shirts. Rash guards specifically are tight fitting. A surf shirt or a sun shirt is going to fit more like a t-shirt, but they're both made out of the performance material. That's another thing they'll call it. For some brands, you'll see performance tee, and a lot of the time that will be like a UPF 50 sun protection rash guard. It's designed to stop friction between you and your surfboard, as well as stop the sun from burning you. So we sell lots of men's, lots of women's, lots of kids, tons of brands. This is O'Neill, definitely one of our top brands, but pretty much every brand we carry sells a rash guard as well. So number 3 for us, and we expect it to remain in that top 5 probably forever, is going to be rash guards. Number 4 for us, we do sell some of these in women's varieties, but the majority of it is going to be men's. Hats. We sell a ton of hats. So if you ever go take a look at our shipping table, the way we do it is we just kind of line them up in a row. And sometimes we've got 4 5-foot long rows, just hat after hat after hat that we're getting ready to ship. A lot of the men's hats we have do come in a kids variety as well. A lot of the women's hats we sell are sort of hard to find other places. We find a lot of people contacting us and saying, oh my gosh, you're the only place I could get that hat. So for whatever reason, hats have really worked well for us. We keep hats sort of up high in top bins, so they're not taking up space from our more dense items, because they certainly aren't the densest item to fit in a bin, but we definitely find reason to stock a lot of hats, and that's because they're selling really well. So number 4 for 2023, hats. Number 5 is another one that spans across women, men's, and children. We sell a ton of these, and again, it'll probably be no surprise as a lot of our customers are spending a lot of time on the beach, but sandals. Specifically sandals. We do sell shoes as well, and shoes aren't like a bad selling item for us, but sandals, for whatever reason, we are always selling a ton of. They don't fit in the bins as nicely as everything else, but we definitely always have a full table of them. These are some Volcom sandals. You can see they're nice and colorful. We also sell less casual sandals, ones that are slightly more formal. We have some closed toe stuff. A couple of our brands sell like yoga mat sandals. Some of them have really, really thick treads and outsoles for sort of like off-road trekking. But I guess my point is we sell a huge variety of sandals, so it's no surprise that we do sell a lot of them. So that's number 5 for 2023 is going to be sandals. And that's it for us. There's some honorable mentions definitely in the list. Shoes, as I had mentioned before, sunglasses, while volume's not through the roof on sunglasses, as you could imagine, you have to sell way less pairs of sunglasses to make up for how many pairs of shorts you would have to sell. I phrased that poorly. You'd have to sell a whole lot more shorts to make up for selling one pair of sunglasses. So though we don't stock a ton of sunglasses, we have a great variety and we have good relationship with a couple of the brands. So we definitely like to keep a good stock of sunglasses, and they will probably remain a good selling item for us, hovering around that top 10. Another honorable mention for us is going to be our surfboards. They are a new item in this past year, but I can tell you, as we have stocked a lot of surfboards in the past, they sold better than anything else that we've had before. We've carried multiple different brands. We've had soft tops and hard surfboards, and we like to be able to offer our customers a good variety. But we've sort of found a foothold with our surfboards. They're selling really well, and it really brings a smile to all of our faces when we see one of those sell and we get to ship one out. So that'll be an honorable mention for 2023, and hopefully it'll crack the top 10, maybe even the top 5 in 2024, 2025. That's our surfboards. So that's it, everybody. If you're looking or interested at all in your own e-commerce business, I can tell you that those are pretty comfortable categories. Now, obviously, depending on what space you're in or what kind of interests you have, maybe you're not selling action sports t-shirts and you're looking to sell, I don't know, comic book t-shirts or something like that. I don't know the market there. I just know that for our little online surf shop, these categories really carry us. We don't have any intentions of just getting rid of other categories that don't, but these definitely make up for some of the less popular categories. If you have any other e-commerce questions or want any other e-commerce insights just as to how we run our business, what works for us, what doesn't, we've been doing it for 15 years, so we're pretty confident that we're pretty good at the operating a business side of things, but you can always learn something new. So feel free to reach out if you have any comments or questions. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from us. We do product review videos. We do pick pack videos. We do sort of time-lapse type videos where we just show you a working day. But if you have any interest in any of that, you can hit the button below. Should be right underneath me. And otherwise, hope everybody has a fantastic 2024. And whatever kind of business you guys are doing, I hope it's successful. Thanks, everyone.